robbery of jewelry. After reading this heading, after reading the chapter's name, the Golden Nugget, what do you think there is in the chapter? Piece of native of gold, okay. A lamp of gold, Karnit has read the chapter. Treasure. All right, class. So, like Karnit said, the golden nugget. Nugget is a small lump, not lamp. It is a lump of valuable material. Lump means small piece. Okay. Lump means a piece from that treasure. Now we will read this story. This is a adaptation. This lesson has been taken from the Golden Nugget. This is a collection of stories called a Chinese Wonder Book, and the writer is Norman Pittman. So out of that, we have taken a small portion of the story. All right, fine. Now we'll start reading one paragraph. Means from starting till the end, wherever you can see the gap, you have to stop at that gap. Okay, Geet, start reading. Everyone will get a chance.
Many years ago, there lived in China two friends named Kivu and Paoshu. Neither cross words nor unkind through married their friendship. They were true friends to each other.
Now this is a story in a China where there were two friends. Their name was Kivu and Poshu. Now there were no crosswords or there were no dirty thoughts among themselves. They were true friends. Okay, nothing can damage their friendship. Married means damaged. Vashvi next.
Kivu and Paushu were tired of life in a city, and one day they decided to take stroll together. It was a bright and beautiful day in early spring.
Okay. Now what happened that these two friends were tired. You all are also bored in, staying at home. So they were tired of the life in city and they decided to take a walk. Stroll means taking a walk, and it was a very beautiful day where you can take a walk, you can explore. Nowadays you cannot explore because of corona, but earlier they were exploring. Ayush next.
Mummy,
We
Ayush Sirohi.
we can forest all our wars in the sweetly scented pine forest, said Ki. Yes,
Kivu.
agreed.
Okay, bacha, I said one only. All right. So what said Kivu? What he said that we can all forget our worries. Worry means all the stress, whatever we are thinking in the scented, sweetly sweetly scent of this pine forest. Fine. See those who have read, please lower your hand so that everyone can get a chance. Geet, Vashvi, and Ayush Sirohi, lower your hands. Thank you so much, bache. Okay. Yes, Yashika, read next.
Yes, agreed, Poshu. The forest is a place for rest.
Very good. So now the friend also agreed that this forest is our place of rest. Here we can relax ourselves, right? Himakshi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, agree. Pashu, the forest is a big one.
All right. I have worked over my books without any rest for 30 days, said Kimu. Now, what is he saying that? There might be exams were going on, or he was studying for from the past 30 days now, that his head is full of wisdom that I'm afraid that it will burst. I'm longing for some fresh air. Now, like your exams are over, you must have gone and visited some places, or you must have been out for your house for 2 minutes. When we all studying for a long period, we all need fresh air, right? Any doubt on the first page, anyone? Anyone, any doubt on the first page? Okay. Sorry. Pragya next.
Pashu added sadly, I have worked like a slave in my master's shop. It is dull work and my master treats me badly. It's so good to be away from him.
Now, what is Paushu saying? That he was a slave. Slave means someone who is working under somebody. Worker. In short, we can say a worker. So he says that my master keeps me like a prisoner. He was like a prisoner that he has to work, work, and work, and he treats him badly. He did not appreciate him. So it is good to be away from him at least for one day. Akshvi next.
As they were walking through the forest, they crossed a little stream and rambled on among the trees and shrubs. While they were passing a clump of flower-covered bushes, they saw something shining in the path. Lying directly in front of them was a lamp
Of gold. Okay. Now, as they were passing, as they were walking through the forest, they crossed a little stream. Stream means a little uh, water. From where the water was coming, they passed, and after passing the bushes, after seeing a lot of trees, they saw something shining, and there was lying a lump of gold in front of that. Okay, now imagine fifth day, you see this lump of gold. You were walking in the park, let's say you have gone for your daily walk and you see this lump of gold. What will you do? Write it in the chat box. What will you do if you see some gold? Sorry. Okay, Pragya says that she will give it to police. Okay. What else? I will give to a poor man. Okay, Swastika. Ishan will also take it to the police. I will take to the home and sell it. Okay, very good, Akshvi. Akshvi will take it home, sell it, and whatever money she will receive, she will help the poor people. Others will do nothing. He will run away from there. Okay. Ruchika will give to the parents. Very good. That's up to you. But this is your thinking that what you are doing. I'm not saying something is right or something is wrong. We will tell the parents. I will change into money. Okay. All right. Very good. Let's see what they did. Fine. Karnet, start reading. Karnet.
Evu bent down and picked up the nugget. It was big as an apple and was very pretty. You can take it, dear friend. You saw it first, he said, handling the gold
nugget to Paushu. No,
Continue
my
reading.
brother.
Hmm.
No, my brother, you saw it first. It seemed that some divine power has rewarded you for all your faithful hours of studies, answered Paushu.
Now what happens that Kivu went and picked up the nugget. Nugget is in a small shape, a small, what can you say? Uh, just a second. A small lump of gold. Okay, you can say a small piece of gold, and it was like a please, Ayush Kumar, keep yourself muted. So it was like it was as big as an apple. So you can imagine an apple. It was that size of a gold thing. So Kivu said to Pashu that you saw it, you take it. Pashu said, no, you have saw it. It may be a power of the God. Divine is some power related to God that he has awarded and you have studied so hard. So you should take this. Fine. Adarsh, read next. Adarsh.
Kivu replied, my brother, think of the weeks of hard labor you put in. Take the gold nugget and make a fortune from it.
All right. Now Kivu said, no, brother, you have been working very hard, all the work that you have done. You take this and make some earnings from it. You can sell it and you will have a lot of money so that you do not have to work under the master again. Ruchika,
Yes, ma'am.
read next.
Neither of the friends wanted to take the nugget for himself, and so they simply dropped the chunk of gold at the very spot where they first saw it. They walked on feeling happy because each valued his friends more than anything else in the world.
Yes. Now what is happening? That none of them wanted the nugget from themselves. Like Kivu do not want it for himself, and Pashu also do not want it from himself. So they dropped that nugget where they saw, and they were walked feeling happy that they value their friend more than anything in this world. Right? Understood? Any doubt to anyone till here? All right. Ayush Kumar next.
They reached a spring and saw a man sleeping under the side of a tree. Walk up, great Paushu. There
Hmm.
is a gift of you for you. Go up that path and you will find a golden nugget lying down. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, when they were walking, they saw a man sleeping under the tree. They wake him up and told him that go on this path and you will find a golden nugget, a piece of gold lying there. Ishan, next.
The man jumped up and hurried off to find the nugget, while the two friends happily reflected by the spring.
Now what
Suddenly
happened?
they
The man jumped and he rushed. If you told someone that there is some gold lying, everyone will start running. So he also ran to there, and the friends they will just relax by the spring. Spring is where there is a water and good trees. Rashi, read next.
Suddenly he was startled by the few voice of the man who had gone after the nugget. You honestly followed. He weirdly would take a nest it on me.
Now what happened? They were startled. Startled means surprise. Like if you are studying quietly in a class and somebody enters the class suddenly, we just shake, right? That is startling, that you are just surprised at someone in that way, that you are shocked. Now there was, that man was angry. Why? That he said there is no, you are very horrible. You played a trick on me. Anyone else who has not got a chance and wants to read? We are left with 2 paragraphs only. No, we have some more. Yes, Priya, start reading.
What do you mean? Asked Ivo, astonished. There was no golden nugget, you fool! He shouted angrily. Instead, I found a snake which I cut into two with my blade. Now the gods will curse me for killing something in woods.
Now,
Sorry.
what the man said, that the Kivu asked, he was very surprised that what are you saying? So the man said that there was a snake, no golden nugget, and he has killed that snake with his blade, and now the gods will punish him for killing something in the woods. We read.
Sorry, said Hugh. We thought we were doing you a favor. Come, Ashu, let's go back and look at this wonderful snake that has been hiding in a chunk of a gold.
Now, what is
Laughing
saying?
and
What the student Kivu said, that he was sorry. He really thought that they were helping the man, but now they decided to go and see the beautiful creature, that is the snake that was hiding in the gold. Anyone else who wants to read? Yes, Nandini, please read.
Laughing merrily, the two friends set out to find the nugget.
Continue reading, Nandini.
When they reached the spot where they had first seen the shining nugget, they both jumped with surprise. There wasn't any dead snake there. Instead, they found two beautiful golden nuggets, each larger than the one they had seen at first.
Now, what has happened, when they were going, they were enjoying, they were laughing merrily. So, when they reached the place where they had seen one shining nugget, now they were lying two beautiful nuggets, and they were larger than the previous one. Instead of one, there were two, and they were more large. Last, we'll read the last. Anyone who has not got the chance wants to read this last? Those who have not got a chance. Bhavya, will you read? Bhavya, Jaykaran. Nipun. Tamanna. Anyone? Parv. Come on, anyone? Those who have not got the chance and wants to read again. Or read, sorry, not again. Jaykaran, Bhavya, Parv, Muniba, Nipun, Tamanna. Anyone? Mohit.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ishan, you have already got the chance. Is Dev with you, Ishan? Then Dev can read if he wants.
Ma'am, no.
Okay. Ishan, then wait. Let me see if there is anyone. Yes, Tamanna, you can read. Come on, Tamanna, read.
Sorry, said Kivu. We thought
No, but
we
say
were
at last. Tamanna, from the last. At last, the divine powers.
At last, the divine powers have rewarded you for your unselfishness, said Kivu. Yes, answered Posu. By granting me a chance to give you a gift you deserve. Each friend picked up one of these treasures and handed it joyful to his companion. Laughing, they made their way back to their city. Thank you.
All right, now what happened that they both were happy and they were saying that the God has given them reward for making the friendship more important than this golden nugget. Now each one of them picked and gifted others. Each them companion is the one who travels with you, and then laughingly they made back to the city. Any doubt in this chapter, anyone? It was very interesting. This chapter, what is the moral of the chapter? What do you think is the moral? What do you have learned from this chapter? Yes, Pragya?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask your doubt.
Ma'am, I don't understand in that when they reached the spot where they had first seen the shining nugget, ma'am, that full paragraph I don't understand.
Actually, this was nothing. They just were walking and they saw something shining lying there. It was in covered with a bunch of flowers, flower bushes across the trees. Ma'am, do not cheat anyone. Yes, Ayush, okay. You should not be selfish. Very good. Vaishvi, selflessness was little. Karnit, very good. We should be faithful with our friends. Very good, Ruchika. We should think about others also. Yes, Akshmi, that's very correct. Anything else you think? Think of this something important. No matter what is there in the chapter. So your homework will be, I will give you some words. You have to find the meaning of that words and frame sentences. Fine. And do this question number 1 in the book. Friendship is bigger than any other thing. Absolutely correct. Okay. Put a tick or cross. Kuvu and Pashu were happy with the city life. True or false? Tick or cross? No. Yes, we are absolutely correct. They were not happy. Okay, sorry. When I'm going. All right. The two friends wanted to forget all their worries.
Yes.
Yes, IS is correct. True. Each of the friends wanted the golden nugget for himself. Yes, Ruchika, what is the answer?
Wrong.
Friends do not
Wrong.
speak.
Wrong.
False.
False. Yes, wrong.
False.
This is wrong. The friend spotted a man sleeping by the spring. Yes, Akshvi.
True.
True, yes, they spotted a man. Both the friends were rewarded at the end of their friendship. They were rewarded at the end for their friendship. Is it true or false? Yes, yeah, Veer. True, yes. So find out, you do these questions in the book, question number 1, and word meanings, and you have to send it by today's evening. Fine. After this class, I will be sending you the GK link also. Any doubt in the chapter now? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Please do not say no, right? Yes or no. Others may have the work. All right. Yes, answer 1 in the book. Words I will be sending on the WhatsApp as well as Atlantic. All right. So I'm ending the class for the day for English. We'll reconnect at 11:30 for GK. All right.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a
Bye,
great day.
everyone.